Hey guys, today I'll be covering on GRE, like how to crack GRE and strategies related to it. GRE stands for Graduate Record Examination. It is a 3 hour 45 minutes of exam with a minimum score of 260, maximum of 340 and 0 to 6 point in AWA section. The basic sections in GRE will be AWA, 0 to 6 points with increment of 0.5. Quantitative section 130 to 170, increment of 1 point. There will be 20 questions you have to solve in 30 minutes per section. Verbal 130 to 170, increment of 1 point, 20 questions in 30 minutes. It is a section adaptive exam. It means that the level of difficulty of the next section, that is, if it is a quant, then next quant, or verbal, then next verbal, will depend on your performance in the previous section. If you perform nice in the previous section, the next section will be difficult. Likewise, if you couldn't perform that well, difficulty will reduce for the next section. It is a relative system. The more the number of questions you solve correctly, the difficulty will increase. So will your score. And if you couldn't perform well in first section, you will get a easy level set in the next one. Even if you score like in all the questions, you will get average marking. So there will be one dummy section. It can be either of quant or verbal. If it started with quant, it will be like quant, verbal, quant, verbal, quant. So out of these three quants, one will be dummy. Same goes for if it starts with verbal, verbal, quant, verbal, quant, verbal. Out of these three verbal, one will be dummy. And you never know which verbal or quant was dummy in that section. Next comes a break. You'll get 1 minute break after each section and 10 minutes after the third section. So first you will be like given the AWA section, after which you will get either a quant or verbal and the sequence will be followed. So the third section you will get after the third section you will get a 10 minutes of break. Then some features in GRE will be mark and review, ability to change and edit answer within a section, then on-screen calculator for quantitative reasoning. The best thing about GRE is there is no negative marking. So you shall attempt all the questions. Coming to analytical writing assessment, AWA section, it has two tasks. First task is analyze an issue. Second task is analyze an argument. So for every task you will be given 30 minutes. This is a screenshot I have taken from the GRE website. Here you can see when you take the test, you will be presented one of the issue topics from this pool. Same goes for argument topic. The links will be in the description. So coming to tips for AWA, you have to have a prior practice before giving your final GRE exam. While practicing, use the timer. Get it read by someone who knows like how to understand and comprehend the text, so he can rate your answers. Mark your mistakes. Write logical and coherent. This you will be prompted in your GRE also. Do not write anything off topic. If you deviate off topic, you will lose your marks. Generate points before writing. This is the most important thing you have to do. Like once you get the GRE question, you have to like jot down some points which you will be using for writing. So if you have points in your mind, you just write it down in one go. One idea per paragraph. Watch your grammar. Use transition words. Oh, it's words. Then comes AWA time allocation. First 1 to 2 minutes, you have to read and understand the topic. Next 2 to 4 minutes, you'll be spending on writing down the points and examples which come in your mind. Then 15 minutes, type your first draft. 5 to 6 minutes to develop new points, if any. Use this time to if you have any points, you develop new points. and if you have time, rearrange and organize your essay. Last 3 minutes you must have for reading it again and see if you can do some cosmetic changes. A score of 3.5 and above should be good for an application. Talking about quantitative section, the topics which will be asked in the quant will be arithmetic, algebra, geometry, data analysis. The types of question will be numerical answer type question, select one option, select multiple option. For verbal reasoning, it will be reading comprehension, text completion, and sentence equivalence. For reading comprehension, comprehending the passage is most important. For text completion, it is a kind of fill in the blanks with choices. So, if you have like for one blank, you'll be having five choices, and if you have three blanks, for each blank, you'll be having three choices. For sentence equivalence, it is also kind of fill in the blanks. Select two choices out of six given choices, such that the sentence is logical and both the sentences mean the same. You can pause the video and read all these things for more information. So, coming to tips for quant. First is never leave a GRE question unanswered. As I already told, there is no negative marking. Visualize GRE question before solving them. Do not waste too much time in one question. If you waste, you will end up screwing your whole exam. Employ the best process of elimination. Like this is the best process. You can see like you will be having four choices. Try to eliminate like those choices which are not ever possible for that question and then try solving. Be careful when marking answer choices on the GRE. Like you'll find some answers which look the same, like you'll be solving it correctly, but while taking the answer, you will see like a similar choice will also be available in option number A, like which looks the same, but it's not the same. And you'll like in like heat of the moment, you'll be taking the first one. But you have to carefully mark the answers. Plugging in specific numbers. Some questions can be solved using plugging numbers, and even you can use the answers given in order to solve the question. So this tip is also useful. Next comes solve 160 plus level GRE questions available in different GRE books. I'll be giving the descriptions for those. Use scratch paper effectively. See, this happened to me. You will be having a scratch paper. It will be kind of a two-page paper. You will have to solve in like that paper itself. You can ask for extra papers also. But the thing which happened is like I write very, very big. So I used to solve the questions like in a very rough manner and take the answers. So what happened, like after I finished the paper, like the scratch paper, I asked for the extra scratch paper. And then it is like you have to return your old paper and take the new paper, in which you'll lose your time first. Second thing, in order to revise the previous answers, you don't have the supplementary in which you had solved those questions. So use the scratch paper effectively. Next comes solve GRE practice questions in timed settings. Try to finish quant in 30 minutes and keep 5 minutes backup for revision or reviewing the questions, for the review questions which you had taken. Tips for verbal will be never leave GRE questions unanswered. Same thing. Practice, practice, practice. No shortcuts for verbal. Develop vocabulary and reading skills. Like if you have three months of time, you can develop a habit of reading newspapers and such things. To develop vocabulary, you have to use like flashcards or use mnemonics. So mnemonics is a memory aiding technique which you use to remember words. So these things also will help you a lot in your verbal section. Like if you don't know the meaning of words, you can't comprehend a passage, you can't solve the sentence equivalence and text completion. Next comes GRE books. So this is Barron's eight like essential words for GRE. It will have 800 words for GRE. Next comes Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. So in this one you'll have root words to understand the origin of the words and all. Then comes official guide. This you have to go through like GRE verbal and GRE quant and general one. So these are like very small books. Like you can solve it in like 2 weeks or something. So this will be useful as well. The best book for GRE will be Manhattan 5LB. It covers everything. It covers the words, word list, idioms. It covers the verbal. It covers quant section. Like it is the holistic book for GRE. If you solve this, if you have like 3 months of time, you can absolutely solve this. So if you solve this, you will be having a great score in GRE. Like you will find tons of books available in the market, but these are some selected books you can use for this purpose. In this tough time of this corona, there is a small help from my end. Please check the description. All the best for the exam. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, share, and like my channel. Thank you.